Hello, welcome a new video. Today we're going to talk water to in a solar panel. It is a continuation from the previous episode. I'm constantly watch and checking. I mean in my spare time. Let's do it. Fixing the blue crystal. Here's where it's attached. I think we can go the other page. This is what it looks like from the other side. The cardboard holds it here, connected between two crystals, forked glass. It's not really a power connection. The adhesive strip does not conduct current. The crystals are not nothing case in resin. I'm still looking for a way to link multiple panels together. That's just the cable speaking out. I'll use this sometime in the future. All this time the power is not connected to the batteries. They're here for testing. It's my hobby. I enjoy playing with it a lot. I'm looking for new ways. That's all. Thank you for your attention. Thank you to my subscribers.